I've been a professional photographer now for over 35 years. My diary is usually pretty stacked. In fact, this week I should be shooting in Nice, followed by a shoot in Toronto. But the coronavirus has me, like everybody else, locked down. So it got me thinking if there was anything I could do to use the extra time. As a busy freelancer, I'm always dashing about from one job to the next. And I meet a lot of people. The one question that keeps coming up time and time again is, how do you become a professional photographer? Firstly, I think that everybody can enjoy taking photos. Whether you've got the most expensive kit or you're just shooting on your iPhone. You need to be able to do everything. You're a technician, and that's because you're a professional taking pictures for somebody else. But you also have to have an eye for a photo. You have to have a creative spark. Then you're also going to need to be a people person. They've got to like you. I mean, people buy from people, right? Time to stop searching for the tricks of the trade, maybe. Instead, learn the trade. Every job's individual. Sometimes 2 or 3 jobs in a day. I'm paid by the hour, and although you can hire me by the day, and some clients do, most of them want an hour of my time, and in that hour that includes post-production. So I've got to get in, assess, create and execute with just the tools that I can carry. It's thinking on your feet. It's a particular way of thinking. In the videos that I'm going to post, I'm going to show you how I create and assess locations and how I make my choices and how I get to the image. It's as much about you as it is about me. You might find a different way, but I just thought for all the people who've asked me questions over the years, all the requests for work experience and the photographers wanting a helping hand to the next place, I'm going to show you how I create my images.